Hello everyone. Today I will explain chapter 14 factorization of class 8. And first of all, I want to tell you about factors. We can write the factor is in the form of product of natural number. For example, if 6 is a number, so 6 can be divisible by 1 also and itself 6 also, and 6 is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. It means 1, 2, 3 and 6. In all the table 6 will come. If we talk about algebraic expression, like if I have 5xy, so 5xy I can write in the product of variable also. 5 is a numerical number, x is a variable and y is a variable. 5x and y, these are the factor of 5xy. If I give an example, x and x plus 2, if any sign is not there, so it is a multiply. So x multiply x plus 2. X plus 2 and x, this both are the factor of this expression. Now we will start the exercise. Now question 1, first part, we have to factorize, find the common factor of the given terms. We are doing this first part, 12x and 36. 12 you make the prime factor, then again divisible by 2. 12x you can write 2 multiply 2 and multiply 3. Now same prime factor of 36, 18, 9 and here 12x, this is the multiplication of 12 and x is multiply also, and then you write for 36 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we have to take the common factor which include in 12x and 6x. This 2 is common to both. This 2 is common to both terms. This 3 is common to both terms. So our common factor will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 means 12. Now second part, 2y and 22xy. How you can write 2y? 2y you can write 2 multiply y. 22xy, 2 multiply 11 multiply x and multiply y. Now you have to check the common factor which will be include the both the two terms. This 2 is common to both and y is common to both. So your common factor will be 2 multiply y equal to 2y. Now third part. Our third part is 14pq 28 p square q square. How you can write 14pq common factor, you have to tell the both the terms, and 14pq common factor you can write 2 multiply 7 and p multiply q, the factor of 14pq. Now 28 p square q square, 2 multiply 2 multiply 7, p square means p 2 times multiply itself and q 2 times. What is common? This 2, then this 7, p there and second term p is there, q and q. Now common factor common factor will be 2 multiply 7 multiply P multiply Q. Your answer will be 14 PQ. Now next part. We have done up to third. Now fourth part. 2x, 3x square and 4. Now three terms are there. So we have to take common factor which is common all the three terms. First 2x you can write as 2 multiply x and 3x square, 3 multiply x and 4 2 multiply 2. You can see nothing is common, neither 2, neither 3 and neither x, but you know that 1 is common to both. So your common factor will be 1. Clear? Now next part, part number 5. 6ABC, 24AB square and 12A square B. 6ABC factor are 2 multiply 3 multiply A, B and C. 24AB square. 12 factors are given and multiply with 2. So 1, 2 I will write extra. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply A multiply B and multiply B. Now 12A square B. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply A and multiply B. Now you have to take common which is common all the three terms. These two. Now here 2 are there but here not, so we can't take. Common should be all the three terms. 3 is common, A is common and B is common. Common factor will be 2 multiply 3 multiply A and multiply B. 6AB. Now 6 part, 16x square, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 x multiply x minus 4x square. You can write minus 1 then 2 multiply 2 multiply x multiply x. Now 32x, 5 times 2 you have to multiply x. Now you have to take common these two and these two common, 2 and 2 common, but here 2 here and 2 here, but in middle term there is 2 not common, so you can't take common 2. Now take x and x. Common factor is 2 multiply 2 multiply x, 4x. 4x is common. Now 7th statement. 7th part is 10 PQ, 20 QR and 30 RP. 10 PQ you can write product of natural number, 2 multiply 5 multiply P multiply Q. 20 PQ, 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 this is QR, 20 QR, Q multiply R. For 30 QR, RP, make prime factor of 30, 15, then 3. 2 multiply 3, multiply 5, multiply r, multiply p. Now we will take common, which is common to all the 3. 2, 2 and 2 is common. Here 5, 5 and 5 common. P in this 2 term but not is in this term. Q is in this 2 term but not there. So we have to take which is common all the 3 terms. Common factor you will take as 2 multiply 5, 10 is common factor. Now next is your 8, 3x square, y square, 10x power 3, y square, 6x square, y square and z. 3x square, y square you can write 3 multiply x, multiply x, multiply y and multiply y. 10x cube and y square, 2 multiply 5, 3 times multiply the x and 2 times y. Then 6 x square, y square and z, 2 multiply 3, multiply x, 2 times y and 1 time z. Now you take common. Here any numerical number is not common, neither 3, neither 2 and neither 5. Variable you check x and x is common. Then this x and x is common. See about y and here y and here y. This y all in the 3 terms. So your common factor is x multiply x, multiply y and multiply y. X square, y square is common factor of these. Now next sum. Now question second I will explain in my next video. Hope this question 1 you will understood. Thank you.